I am.
Let's do another example. Let's do a base 7. Let's write the first 15 digits.
Well, there's going to be more examples on my homework.
Let's do the first, just really quickly. Let's do the first 15 digits in base 7. So here's, actually no, let's do it in base 4. Let's do it in base 4. No, let's do it in base 3. I'm doing it in base 3 because I want you to see what happens. Base 3 means my ones digit is always 1, right? Anything to the 0 is always 1. So my first digit is going to be 1, and then it's going to be 2. And now how do I write 3?
1 0.
I write 1 0. How do I write 4?
1 1.
I write 1 1. How do I write 5? Now I need
2.
That's right, 1 2. I don't need another digit yet. How do I write 6?
Well, 3 to the
I
1
need
0 0.
Remember, I can go up. Every one of these digits can go up. So all of these digits, your choices here are 0, 1, or 2. Your choices here are 0, 1, or 2. Your choices here are 0, 1, or 2. So what would the number, what am I on, 6? The number 6 would be 2 of these.
0.
It'd be 2 of these, right? So it'd be 2 and 0. What's the number 7?
2 and 1.
That's right. What's the number 8? 2 and 2.
2.
What's the number 9?
1 0 0.
That's right. Now I go all the way up to 1 0 0.
This is so dumb. I hate math.
Then I go to 10. What would 10 be? 1 0 1. What would 11 be? 1 1. Nope, that's too much. 1 0 2. Good. 1 0 2. That's 11. What would 12 be? 1 1 0. What would 13 be? 1 1 1. What would 14 be?
1 1 2.
And what would 15 be? 1 2 0. Those would be your first 15 numerals in base 3. This is base 3. The first 15 numerals, 1 through 15, in base 3.